I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the
What you running in here, man? 6 Memphis Mojo Pro 15s, Ground Zero 8K, bunch of Ground Zero Sigma 10s, 2 Limitless Retro 56s, 250 amp all, and a 24 cubic foot box.
Yeah, it's a big one. About right though, probably. A lot of food.
It gets down pretty good. Yeah. That's 155 no more.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's pretty good. Where can I find you out on social media anywhere?
Yeah, Instagram, Matt's Aaron26.
Matt Aaron26, I'm trying to tag you down below. I appreciate it, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.